Imagine if creating complex spreadsheets, documents, and presentations was as simple as having a conversation. Microsoft is turning this vision into reality with its groundbreaking Vibe working feature in Excel and Word. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the future of productivity, or are we outsourcing creativity to machines? Let's dive in. You might have heard of vibe coding, where beginners build apps by crafting simple AI prompts. Now, Microsoft is bringing a similar concept to its Office suite. The tech giant has unveiled Agent Mode in Excel and Word, a tool that generates intricate spreadsheets and documents with just a prompt. Alongside this, the Office agent in Copilot chat, powered by Anthropic models, can whip up PowerPoint presentations and Word documents based on conversational input. This isn't just about automating tasks, it's about redefining how we work. We are bringing Vibe working to Microsoft 365 Copilot with Agent Mode in Office apps and Office Agent in Copilot chat, says Sumit Chauhan, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft's Office Product Group. Just as vibe coding revolutionized software development, these new reasoning models in Copilot are unlocking a new era of productivity for Office users. Agent Mode is a supercharged version of Microsoft's existing Copilot features, designed to make Excel's complexities accessible to non-experts. It's not just about simple answers. It's about creating board-ready presentations or documents in minutes, Chauhan explains. It's the kind of work a first-year consultant would do, delivered almost instantly. Here's how it works. Agent Mode breaks down complex tasks into manageable steps, using OpenAI's GPT-5 model to plan, reason, and execute each part of document or spreadsheet creation. Think of it as watching an automated assistant in action, with every step visible in real time. But here's the part most people miss. Microsoft has taken a cautious approach with Excel, given its role in powering critical business operations worldwide. Agent Mode ensures your spreadsheets are auditable, refreshable, and verifiable, Chauhan notes. We've invested heavily in tightening the validation loop to ensure accuracy. Speaking of accuracy, Microsoft's Agent Mode in Excel boasts a 57.2% accuracy rate on Spreadsheet Bench, a benchmark for AI spreadsheet editing. While this outperforms competitors like Shortcut.ai and Claude Files Opus 4.1, it still lags behind human accuracy, 71.3%. Is this a limitation or a sign of AI's potential to evolve further? Let us know in the comments. In Word, Agent Mode goes beyond basic writing and summarization tools. It transforms document creation into an interactive conversational experience, Chauhan says. Copilot drafts content, suggests refinements, and clarifies requirements as you work. For instance, you can create a monthly report by pulling data from previous months, and Copilot will summarize highlights and differences. It feels more like a dialogue than a chore, Chauhan adds. Microsoft's Office Agent isn't confined to Office apps. It's also accessible via Copilot chat. Powered by Anthropic models, it can generate full PowerPoint presentations or Word documents from a simple chat prompt. AI has struggled with slide creation in the past, but Office Agent changes the game, Chauhan asserts. It conducts web-based research, structures PowerPoint decks, and provides live slide previews, all in one go. But here's the controversial bit. While Microsoft remains committed to OpenAI, it's increasingly experimenting with Anthropic's models. We're exploring the strengths of different models to build the best composition for our products, Chauhan reveals. Is this a strategic hedge or a sign of shifting loyalties? Share your thoughts below. Anthropic's models are already powering features in Copilot Chat, which runs on Amazon Web Services. This could explain why they're not yet deeply integrated into desktop Office apps. Are cloud rivalries influencing AI partnerships? It's a question worth exploring. Agent Mode in Copilot for Excel and Word is now available in the Frontier program for Microsoft 365 Copilot customers and Microsoft 365 Personal/Family subscribers. Initially, it's limited to web versions, with desktop support coming soon. Office Agent is also available today for US-based subscribers in the same programs. As Microsoft pushes the boundaries of AI-driven productivity, one question remains. Are we enhancing human creativity or replacing it? Let us know your take in the comments. Follow Tom Warren and related topics to stay updated on this evolving story.